I'm Jacqueline Mora, and I just wanted to share this video with you to hopefully plant a seed. The analogies of the garden has brought me full circle with having breast cancer 4 years ago, going through the journey. Having the Invincible Spirit Hydrangea has just been inspiring for me to take something that has happened to you and to do good with it. And this plant is out there, providing a little bit of hope for everybody. This is Invincible Spirit 2 Hydrangea. This is the one that is for Breast Cancer Research Foundation, where $1 is donated from every plant that is purchased across North America. It starts off this beautiful pink when it comes out early summer, midsummer, and it lasts all the way to frost. And as it changes from the pink and it matures into the green, it's just also stunning. And you're still gonna have something over the winter. It's gonna provide a lot of good interest as well too. I don't like to cut mine down over the winter because I think it just provides still some beauty and some interest, but I love the plant and it's got some really nice sturdy stems, beautiful green foliage. It's just a stunning plant. So in addition to the beauty of the Invincible Spirit 2, it's wonderful because of the research dollars that are raised to go towards Breast Cancer Research Foundation. So $1 from every plant that is purchased at greenhouses and garden centers across the US and Canada goes to help Breast Cancer Research Foundation. One of the goals of Breast Cancer Research Foundation is to improve the quality of life no matter what stage you are with breast cancer. And for metastatic patients, improving the quality of life along the way of your journey. If you want more information, you can go to bcrf.org or invinciblespirit.net.